Today was day 4 of our 6-day vacation in Belize with 5 kids. My husband and I took our 10-year-old Aiden and our nieces and nephews who were 13, 11, 10, and 8 on vacation. Today morning, we took the kids ziplining at Volcawina Rainforest Adventures. They were all excited about this activity. It was a short 10-minute hike to the top, and it was time to zipline. This was my oldest niece and nephew's first time ziplining, and they really enjoyed it. It is always so exciting to share experiences like this with them, and it really warms my heart as a mother and an auntie to see all the kids having fun. After a fun morning ziplining, it was time for lunch. We ate at the restaurant on site and the food was pretty good. Once we were done with lunch, we drove to our next activity to learn about the process of traditional Mayan chocolate making. This activity started in the farm with a lesson on harvesting cacao, how the beans are extracted, the fermentation, drying, and roasting process. The kids had a lot of questions and our guide did a really good job answering all of them. After that, it was time to grind the cacao nibs using the Mayan stone tool and make our own chocolate. The kids decided to make dark chocolate but quickly realized how bitter it was when they tasted it. I love hands-on activities like this for kids. Travel can be fun but also educational, and this is the perfect example of how I combine both when planning family trips. After that, we went back to our hotel and had a beach photo shoot with a photographer. It is so worth it to hire a photographer when you travel so that you can have nice photos to look back on after your trip. After our photo shoot, it was time for dinner. We enjoyed dinner together and talked about all the fun things that we learned, and that was it for our day. Make sure to follow along to see what else we did on our Belize vacation.